Welcome to English Journey TV. In this lesson, Jessica and Alex talk about how to order food on the phone in easy English. Listen carefully, repeat slowly, and practice speaking with us. Let's begin.
Hi, Alex. I'm so hungry today. I don't feel like cooking.
Hi, Jessica. Same here. I'm tired and hungry.
Maybe we can order food on the phone.
Good idea. It's fast and easy.
Really? I've never ordered by phone before.
Don't worry, I'll help you. It's simple. You just call the restaurant, tell them what you want, and give your address.
Okay, that sounds easy enough. What do you want to eat? Pizza, burgers, Chinese food?
I want Chinese food.
Good choice. Let's call Golden Dragon Restaurant. Their food is delicious.
Okay. Do you have their phone number?
Yes, here it is. 555-347-9000. Should I call or you?
You can call. It's good practice for your English.
All right, I'll try. Jessica pretending to call. Hello, is this Golden Dragon Restaurant?
Yes, this is Golden Dragon. How can I help you?
I'd like to order some food for delivery, please.
Sure. What would you like to order?
1 chicken fried rice and 1 vegetable soup, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, 1 spring roll, please.
Got it. Can I have your address, please?
Yes, it's 24 Green Street, apartment 5.
Thank you. Your food will arrive in about 30 minutes.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Bye. Wow, I did it. That was easier than I thought.
See? You did great. You spoke clearly and politely.
Thank you. I was a little nervous, but it was okay.
When you order on the phone, it's important to speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, I tried to do that.
And always say please and thank you. That makes you sound polite.
Got it. I'll remember that. Now I'm excited for the food to come.
Me too. It should be here in 30 minutes.
I like ordering food. It saves time.
Yes, and you can practice English when you talk to the restaurant.
That's true. Ordering by phone is a good English exercise.
Exactly. You learn how to ask questions, give your address, and speak politely.
I think I'll order by phone again next time.
Good idea.
Oh, I think the food is here.
Yes, the delivery driver is at the door.
Hello. Thank you. Here's your payment.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Yes, the chicken fried rice looks so good.
Let's eat.
Now let's review what Jessica and Alex learned. They practiced how to call a restaurant, how to order food politely, how to give an address, how to speak clearly on the phone. Ordering food on the phone is easy.
Yes, just remember to say hello, order your food, give your address, and say thank you.